Hey, are you a UI developer or someone who is planning to build a website and you find it takes hours to build a single UI component? Well, what if I told you there is an AI tool where I could upload a design screenshot and with one, two, three, and just with these prompts, I was able to build a component instantly? Well, I'm not lying. Check it out. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone who have subscribed to our channel, have checked out our website, and even given feedback. So we'll come to the feedback in a bit. But if you guys are new to our channel, I am founder of GPT Rush. It's a AI platform where you could upload your design screenshots and start building your UI in minutes. Coming back to the feedback, a lot of people have said that you guys need a template library so that you can easily choose the designs that you want and start customizing it without the need for creating a design yourself. So we'll be doing exactly that today. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as and when users select any of the predefined prompt here, so we'll change this. This was temporary actually. So we'll have something like building a landing page, building a login page, etc. So as and when user selects any of these prompts, we will show them a pop-up which will then contain lot of design screenshots to choose from, and then they can prompt the GPT Rush and customize it to build their own UI. So as usual, we already have a design inspiration for that UI to build. So we will upload this screenshot to GPT Rush and try building this component. So this is the prompt that we are going to use. I'm asking GPT Rush to build a pop-up which will be a template library picker, and we also specify that it's essentially a grid of image with title that user could choose from, and we also specify that it should be like the screenshot provided, and we also specify that the code should be in reactjs. So now let's go ahead and upload the template and ask GPT Rush to build it. Yeah, so now we have gotten the code. Let's go ahead and implement it. So first let's create a JSX file here, um, called template picker.jsx, and let's copy the whole JSX code. Yeah, and now let's create a CSS file for it. And let's copy the CSS file. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, this is the UI that we have got. Since we don't have the image, it's showing like this. Let's try and import the image URL and see if it looks better. So let's replace it with a demo logo that I have already imported. And now let's see how does it look. Yeah, now I guess we have a base UI ready. Now we need to ask GPT Rush so that a user, whenever a user selects, it has to have that tick mark and it should be selected. Now let's try and implement that. And now to add more features to the UI, so this is the prompt that I'm going to use. First we asked the GPT Rush to highlight the image if the user selects it, and we also asked that a tick icon should be shown in the left, and we also ask it to add an expand icon in the right side of each image if the user hovers over it. And in every prompt we are making sure that it should look like the screenshot provided, and we are again going to provide the same screenshot and see if we are able to add more feature to the UI. Okay, now we got the code. Right, let's see. Yeah, it has added all the icons. Now let's go ahead and implement it. So after going through the code, I just realized that the GPT Rush has added a new parameter to template item called is selected, but it never gave the code, modified the code to pass those variable to the template item and to set those is selected. So now I'm just going to ask GPT Rush to just provide the logic. And provide the entire code with the logic implemented. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. It has given the modified code, and if we see here in the template picker, it has passing is selected and checking the template ID here. So let's remove the old code, and we also need to modify a few CSS that it has given. So let's modify those things. Template item, the template item selected, and all this icons, CSS, copy, and yeah, I think everything is working now. Hopefully this should work. Okay, awesome. I think I'm already feeling this is all I want. And now some final modification to the UI is to add a heading called choose template, and also ask GPT Rush to give some nice looking CSS with text color. And we also ask it to fix the close button position. Currently, if you see, it is somewhere outside the pop-up. So that's what we are saying, that it's outside pop-up, and we ask GPT to bring it to the bottom right of the pop-up. And we also provide the current screenshot of how the UI looks like, so that it's easier for GPT to fix the issues. Yeah, so it has given a template header div for the header. So let's go and paste that below the template picker div. And after that, it has also given a template footer as a div instead of this button. So let's paste that, and now it has given the code for let's copy this template picker. I think this one we have to separately copy because it was there already. Yeah, I think even template grid is there. Let's remove this template header, template grid, right? Template header and template grid. Let's modify those CSS. Yeah, let's check. Yeah, we have got the heading here, and even if we see, the close button is inside the pop-up right now. Previously it was outside the pop-up, so that's fixed. Then I made few modification to CSS, and now here is how our final UI looks like. Yep, I think the entire UI is done. So yeah, we built this entire UI with just a couple of prompts. You too can build your UI by uploading design screenshots to GPT Rush. So do check it out. Let's catch up in the next video.